In this video, I'll show you how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. When you're scrolling on Instagram, you're now not only seeing ads, but also suggested posts that Instagram most likely is recommending to you because they think you are going to like it. But if you only want to see content from the people that you actually follow, there is a way to disable posts like this. As you can see right here on the top, it shows me suggested for you. This means that Instagram is recommending this post and this account to me. To stop Instagram from doing that, what we're going to do is go to our profile right here at the bottom right. Then you will select the three lines at the top and you're going to scroll down just a little bit until you see content preferences. Go ahead and select that option. And right here at the bottom, you're going to see the option to snooze suggested post on your feed for the next 30 days. So go ahead and enable that option and that will automatically snooze suggested post on your feed, but you can only choose to do it for the next 30 days. And that's it. I hope that helped.